ഇത്രയും വർഷം കോൺഗ്രസിൽ നിന്ന് ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന ആനുകൂല്യങ്ങൾ ഉന്നതങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ സൈനിക ഘടകത്തിൽ എനിക്ക് കൃത്യമായ എൻ്റെ മറുപടി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഞാനെല്ലാം ബഹുമാനിക്കുക. നാളെ വരെ രാഹുൽജി എന്ന പേര്.
My colleague Jayalakshmi joins us with more details. Jayalakshmi, PM Sudhakaran says Rahul Gandhi was inaccessible as an MP the last 5 years. He visited the constituency just about 8 to 9 times. Politicians, netas of the Congress party on ground were not able to reach out to him, really forget the common man. He would hear other parties out, but not the Congress cadre in Wayanad. Very scathing allegations while he quit the Congress party and joined the BJP. How is this a big setback to the Congress? Can you tell us about his role and what does this mean for the Congress party?
Certainly he was the DCC chief there, and being a DCC chief, he was very close to the people there, and people actually, spoke to him, and common people were trying to share his problems. So if the DCC chief of the specific constituency is not able to connect to his leader, Rahul Gandhi, then we know how problematic that is. And that is exactly what the Sudhakaran was complaining of, that, Rahul Gandhi was not available to his own party leaders. How is he going to be accessible to the common man? And in fact, not only the BJP was also using the same line of allegation. Even K. Surendran, 2 weeks before, he said out in the same lines that, the wild animals in Wayanad, they visit more in the constituency than Rahul Gandhi does himself. So, now Sudhakaran, who just quit the Congress party and who just joined BJP, he is also saying the same thing. So it is very clear, and it is a major setback for Congress as far as in such an important constituency of like Wayanad, where Rahul Gandhi is contesting for the second time. And when Congress party is very confident, they are very sure that they are going to win because of whatever he has done in last 5 years, such a statement from the former DCC General Secretary is definitely worrisome to the Congress party.
These issues in the constituency have most certainly been raised by the BJP, but this time it's an insider who's spoken of it. He's decided to quit the party on those very grounds and has joined the BJP. And the BJP has not just said this. There's something else also that's been said by the BJP, which was in a sense reiterated by the Prime Minister. Thank you for that, Jayalakshmi. The PM very recently hit out at Rahul Gandhi, alleging that the Congress stalwart will be driven away from his parliamentary constituency, Wayanad, and the party will have to find another safe seat for him. Listen in.
कांग्रेस के जो शाहजादे हैं, उन्हें भी वायनाड में संकट दिख रहा है। शाहजादे और उनकी टोली 26 अप्रैल को वायनाड में वोटिंग का इंतजार कर रही है। जैसे ही 26 को वायनाड में वोटिंग पूरा हो जाएगा, ये शाहजादे के लिए एक और सुरक्षित सीट घोषित कर देंगे और कहीं और से फिर से लड़ाना पड़ेगा उनको, क्योंकि उनके अलायंस के साथी भी एक दूसरे को गालियां दे रहे हैं। कल आपने उनके एक साथी केरल के मुख्यमंत्री ने जो शाहजादे को सुनाई है, मैं भी कभी ऐसी भाषा नहीं बोलता, वो ऐसी भाषा बोली है उन्होंने साथी को। ये हाल है उनका। अब जैसे इन्होंने अमेठी से भागना पड़ा, अमेठी छोड़ा, अब मान के चलिए वो वायनाड भी छोड़ेंगे।
With that, it's time for us to head into a very short break. Lots more lined up on the other side. You're watching Times Now.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।